What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today it's Damian. Today we're gonna be doing something, one of my favorites that I usually like. So I'm gonna be reacting to my favorite video on Maria Rios Lantigua. You know what that is? Cataleya and Damian react to It's Raining Taco. Like always, like this. Raining tacos. Ooh. All of that stuff. But since it already has like 51 videos, we need more than that. So that's why we're gonna give it a reaction. This is gonna be cool. So yeah, I already uploaded it like 1 year ago, so yeah, we don't need any more videos from it. We got like 51. Let's start reacting.
Creamy stuff, creamy.
We do creamy stuff, creamy.
Get that, go.
Blush stop.
Get that, stop.
Blush
There.
stomp it.
It's raining tacos.
Raven topical.
Raining tacos.
I don't even know what it's saying.
Raining tacos. Cause you got that dollar.
It was only created June 8, 2019. Music. One hears music. I don't think that's it. It's like rain and tacos. All of that
Wrap
stuff.
the whole thing.
Rap the whole thing. I don't know what the whole rap song is.
Tacos. Then you act right. Open your mouth and close your eyes. It's
Finally, you
raining
can know what
tacos.
it's saying, guys. It was saying random stuff in the other parts.
All you can eat.
All you can eat. Look, they put all the words. They put all you can eat at all dashes. There's like 3 dashes in that all you can eat word. Let's start reacting.
I don't know how to sing.
Applause. What is applause?
Sniper.
Bro, you put applause in the captions. What does applause?
Style.
Son? Bro, I don't even know if I said
Some
that.
fashion for all of you guys who are not entertained.
Entropy.
Last but not least, the dollar can be very invasive.
Invasive.
I was like itching it around, but I can't see what the waterfall is.
What's a
So
waterfall?
we're just gonna leave it alone.
Okay. No.
Like, use some abuse. Using that and abusing.
Bro. Alexa knows it. It's on my tablet.
I can't hear her.
Yeah, I can't hear her.
It's raining tacos.
Tacos. No need to walk wide. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. The fact this
Dancing
is...
to it's raining tacos.
Wait, 2 just put a dash in the captions. 2 is not a dash. Don't put dashes.
It's called It's Raining Tacos by Sarah Grant.
Cataleya and Damian Dance Towards Raining Tacos was created June 8, 2019. Just to let you know. That is 1 year ago. Dude, it's literally 2020. 1 year in 2020. It says 1 year ago. From 2019 to 2018. 2020.
Daddy's favorite for me.
What does it say? It says Daddy's favorite community. Oh, it got away. when it said Daddy's favorite community.
Sour cream.
Sour cream. Oh, jeez. That was a hard one.
My legs are hurting.
But everybody knows that your leg is hurting.
My legs are growing.
Bro, we uploaded a video yesterday about that. I mean, we uploaded it like 2019, bro.
2019. Daddy's favorite community. 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 2019
The fact that I only created this video 1 year ago is that I had some business with this account, with the account.
It's 5 cents.
5 cents, bruh.
No, actually, it's 1 cent.
Yeah, it's 1 cent. That's what I thought, bruh.
My cousin is watching It's Raining Tacos video. It's called It's a Dream.
No, it's called It's Raining Tacos, dude. It's not called It's Dreams by Beyond Classes or whatever you just said in that video.
And I'm the step.
Okay, so I think that's the end because it just said 402.
Stephanie is like getting
Stephanie is not a name anymore.
But anyways, guys, subscribe. Yeah.
So it just says subscribe, yeah. Well, that is me reacting to one of my favorite videos, guys, on Maria Rios Lantigua. Cataleya and Damian dance to It's Raining Tacos. Also, watch a video that is called How to Play a Game on Maria Rios Lantigua. We uploaded that video after the June 8, 2019. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.